Tyler Conderoga at Led You. We make pencils and that's it. What can I do for you? No? Empowerment? What does that mean? No, we don't do that. We make pencils and that's it. Tyler Conderoga at Led You. We make pencils and that's it. Leadership. We make pencils and that's it. Goodbye. School empowerment programs. No, we don't do those. Dance to our DJ. Hold on one second. DJ, do you dance?
Do I?
You're fired, DJ. Fully interactive school assemblies for students. No, we only have employees here, and they are not empowered. I make sure of it. Thank you. I haven't sold a pencil in years. No, we don't do hats. We don't play artist clay model. Rock, paper, scissors. I told you I don't play games. Knee slaps. What are you talking about, knee slaps? Empowerment? Mascara, Sarah, or J-Rod? Did we fire them already? Hey, let you, Tyler Conderoga speak. Hi, listen, I just got myself in the eye. Hi, we don't do empowerment. No, we do not make people feel empowered. No, we do not do anything but make pencils and make people feel small. Goodbye. Are you Country Mike?
No, I'm Connor from HR. We've actually been getting a lot of complaints about your leadership style recently, as you can see.
Hang on one second. You're fired.
Yeehaw.
Like you, we make pencils and you know what? That's it. Jonah, I'm going on lunch.
Okay. Hello, Lead You. Yes, we're taking bookings. All right, let's do it.
JD, Lead You. Pencils? No, wrong number, man.